What you see? From this to this, that's agriculture for you. From this to this.
He shock you.
When this was going up, the struggle was too much, the stress, everything was there. We struggled. There were days we never knew this corn would get to this point. But this is it today. I've advised a lot of you, most of you, engage in agriculture because we planted just this. This was what we planted, this. And we have this. Look at this. We have this. And we have this. From this. That is the benefit of agriculture. You have garden in your house. You have space. Even if you don't have, get a piece of land. Grow food. Food is very expensive now. It not go cheap. It will never get cheap. Because the population of Africa in 25 years from now will be 2.5 billion people, even more. How do we feed